We start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for one move up. And then from there, we mentioned if the price couldn't break the previous top, we are looking for one more drop. All right. But the price couldn't take the previous top before we see the next drop. All right. By the way, because we have been looking for this one as a correction. And the best things was if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, because in that case, any reversal we can look for long term. And right now we want to see what's the next. Technically, whenever we see this kind of the corrective move, we can expect to see one more drop. And the best things is if we see one more drop, because in that case we can refer to the indicators for the divergence, and we see we are out of this correction. Then any reversal from there we can look for trade as a buy long term, because if the price reverse from here, then we can consider still we are within this correction. Anyway, we start with the daily chart. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. We can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. But what we have been looking for, we have been looking for buy. That's mean we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, any reversal based on daily chart, we will take it as a long term. And the targets we have been looking for 46 following by 57 cents. By the way, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup for buy. And if you move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this. At this point, this is the correction relative to this for the next drop. And as I mentioned, the best thing is if we see one more drop. For me, this is what I prefer. But it doesn't mean if we cannot look for buy from here. Any reversal from here, we consider we can look for buy wave, but it can be similar to any of this. That means still you are within this correction. All right. And based on forward chart, I don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and even based on 1 hour chart, we're looking at this correction relative to this. The possibility for the next drop is very high, and this is the best. But when at this point we see the reversal for the market, we can expect the price reverse from here. Then if the price reverse from here, how we can look for trade? The only way is a reversal, sharp move, flag or correction. We take the trade. Having entry above this, I won't suggest it unless we put our entry somewhere above 0.174 or maybe somewhere around 0.175, a bit higher. In case the price reverse as a sharp move, we are winning the trade, but we need to be really careful. Having entry above here is quite risky, because if the price tag within the first or second hours, if it's not moving our direction, we should take with the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.